everyone! Let's do some cooking! Yummy!
It's breakfast party time with BoomBoy and the Language Explorers! Shh! BoomBoy and Maya are sleeping. I wonder what they're dreaming about. Maybe it's pancakes.
Yummy!
Oh, there's the alarm.
Good morning, everyone! Good morning in Japanese. Ohayo! Stretch! I'm hungry!
Today's Language Explorer is Maya Morning. I think Maya's excited for breakfast.
Down, down, down! I love Minnie!
Cute, it's a Minnie Mouse pillow. Are you going back to sleep?
Good night.
Ah, BoomBoy, it's a shark sleeping bag.
Don't get swallows. My new slippers say little bear.
Slippers in Japanese is uwa baki.
Let's start the morning with a book.
Maya has a Disney Stories book. BoomBoy has a Where's Waldo book. What story are you reading, Maya? It looks like Aladdin and the Little Mermaid. Can you find Waldo, BoomBoy?
I can't find him. We love reading books. Book in Japanese is called hon. Time to change into my BoomBoy disguise. Boom, 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 boom. Before we have breakfast, let's do some chores. I will mow the front yard. Start up my mower. Car to start. Yay, there it goes. What a beautiful sunny day. I love the smell of grass.
Grass in Japanese is shibahu.
Whee! There it goes. Yay! Here I come. That was so much fun. I'll leave the rest for Dad.
Look at Maya still sleeping. Maya, are you hungry? I'm hungry in Japanese is o naka suita.
I'm ready to make pancakes. BoomBoy.
All right, Boom, let's get started.
Okay, first flour. Baking powder. And a little salt. A quick stir. Stirring my favorite part. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix.
Next, in a different bowl, add the eggs.
Mix, 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 mix. secret ingredient.
What was that, BoomBoy? It's malted milk powder.
Now put the wet into the dry. Mix, 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 mix. BoomBoy!
Oh, that's looking great. Do you want to stir too, Maya? I think colorful pancakes would be more fun. Well, first, let's put on your chef's outfit. Great apron and hat, Maya.
I love my chef's hat. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance.
Let's put in some colors. What color is that, BoomBoy?
Yellow. Mix, 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 mix.
What's that color, Maya?
It's red.
Mix it up really, really well.
Mix, 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 mix. Next the blue. That looks cool. Last one is green. Please subscribe.
It's a pancake rainbow.
Mix, 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 mix. I have my spatula and I'm ready to cook.
We have to heat up the pan first and melt a little butter.
1 scoop of blue.
Is it ready to flip, you think? Oh no, burned! That's okay, BoomBoy. Let's keep cooking.
Cooking Japanese is lori. Green looks delicious. They're hard to flip. Yum, red!
I don't think that one's ready to flip yet. That one didn't really work.
Oh no! Let's try yellow. Yummy! Yummy! Yummy, yummy, yummy!
Let's make some breakfast sausage. Great technique, BoomBoy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy! Smells great. Okay, done. I always have scrambled eggs with bread.
Okay, butter first, then eggs. pepper and salt. Then we stir.
Yum, they're ready. It's Chef BoomBoy.
Let's make some waffles and mix the colors to see what colors they can make.
Some red and yellow.
What color do you think it'll make?
It's orange. Now let's mix red and blue.
What color do you think red and blue mixed together makes?
It's purple.
That's right, it's purple! We have two waffle makers, one big one and one small one.
When the light turns green, then it's ready. Bing, it's ready. Open it.
Careful, it's so hot.
Pour in the batter. A little more. Now close up.
Let's do orange in the small waffle maker.
Dance break. Breakfast is served.
Geez, so yummy! Look at all the colors!
Let's begin. Pancakes need syrup. I love syrup. Syrup. So yummy. Down, down, down. Let's have some whipped cream too. So yummy. Hello. With my waffles, I'll have butter and syrup. And I want cream again.
Those look amazing!
I had some raspberries. So yummy. Don't forget the sausage. So yummy.
Wow, you ate everything! What a huge mess!
But it was so delicious.
Make sure to subscribe for more cool videos and to learn more new words. You both look so full, but we still have to clean up.
No, I'm too full. Thanks for having breakfast with us.
Let's review the words we learned today.
Good morning in Japanese is Ohayo.
Slippers in Japanese is uwa baki.
Book in Japanese is called home.
Grass in Japanese is shibahu. I'm hungry in Japanese is onaka suita.
Cook in Japanese is 料理.
We hoped you loved cooking with BoomBoy the chef today.